Kajingalang juga kunhun Menteri Kabinet ke Sorkar Meghalaya kabalalong hakashi tarik yayong kalarai ban Pyntrei kam yaka Provident Fund nak bentai ki Nongtrei haki Skul private kiba hadu mentai ki pat yo jing mentoi AA haba kila Shillong thait naki kam ki jam. Da kani karai ke Sorkar kan sathau yaki rule ki bayadei nak bentai kani ke jing thumu katnu kini ki Nongtrei kin pelang bat katnu ke Sorkar kan purai nak bentai kalawai jongki. Hakane ke Jingalang ki Menteri Kabinet ke Sorkar kalarai ruban plelat bandan ke karkhana ban tap gas bottling plant khnang ban penbiang di kijindon kam leer shed jingshed LPG jong ki pat ba Khuborjylla. Menteri rangba ulayat ho ke Sorkar kala penhe ya kajing don kam leer shed jingshed sah 90% na ka bajulong baro shikata. Ulaong ru hadu menta kajela kampat mat ya kajing kerdu LPG. Ka kabinet kalarai ban penhiar ya ka khajana value added tax VAT ya ka compressed natural gas CNG na ka khatsau 0.1% syaka 1% kumbali ki wei pat Khuborjylla khnang ban kring ya ki company ban wan sha Meghalaya ban penbiang ya ki jingdon kam LPG ki pat ba. Ka kabinet kala menjeru ya ki kerteng bathamai jong ki katu kat ni ki surok ha kani kanongba bat ka jingpen kala kerteng ya ki katu kat ni teli. Kiwi pat kirai bala menjur ha kani kajingalang kilong ban Pyntrei kam meki service rule hakikat tu kani teligi kenhun Nongtrei Sorkar haki tenat papher la pen scam ru iki Nongtrei ad hoc ki bala rungkam shwa usnam ar hajar hanyau bat la pen scam meki jingkeu kerdan jongki.
We had 8 items. The first item was regarding the Meghalaya State Allied Health Council Rules 2026. We passed those particular rules today. Also, we had the proposal for the approval of the Meghalaya Science and Technology Self-Service Rules. Those were also passed. Third, the Meghalaya Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. That also was passed in the Cabinet today. Fourth, the Meghalaya Subordinate Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. This also was passed in the Cabinet today. Apart from these service rules and rules of the specific relevant sections, we had reduced our VAT rate on methane gas as compressed natural gas CNG from 14.5% to 5%, in line with what other states also are doing, and this is being done, of course, to create a competitive environment, so that we will be able to attract different agencies to come and set up their base out here. We have decided, as I said, to reduce the VAT from 14.5% to 5% on methane gas used as compressed natural gas, CNG. The next decision that was taken was the implementation of the Meghalaya Non-Government Schools and College Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme 2026. As you are aware that a large number of non-government schools and colleges employees, based on the act, the relevant act, certain contributions were being made, but government did not have a proper scheme to implement this particular contribution. So today we have finalized that particular scheme, and Cabinet has approved it. So once this scheme is approved, based on the scheme, the employees of the non-government schools and colleges, they will be getting the benefits of the Provident Fund. The next was the service conditions of regularized ad hoc employees, seniority and promotion thereof. So as you recall that we had regularized the ad hoc appointments pre-2007, and therefore after that, of course, a lot of them also had to go for, they were promoted also. So therefore there was a issue because those who were retired, their pensions were pending, because the AG had to know whether they are going to be on the post which they were regularized in, or whether the post that they got promotion in. So there was some confusion in that. So hence we have decided to regularize those aspects and those promotions, especially those promotions, or rather only those promotions which has been made as per the service rules and proper procedures at that point have been followed for these ad hoc employees. We will recognize them and give a one-time condonation for it, and accordingly the concerned employees will get their salary as per the promotion. Again, I repeat, those promotions which were processed properly and the rules were followed and the procedures were followed. So for those promotions, we will give a condonation and allow that promotion to be recognized, so that necessary pension can be given on the basis of the promoted post. The last decision that was taken was the naming and renaming of roads and building localities. These were mostly the normal roads which already had been named after certain individuals. So there were changes in the names. So we had most of them, of course, about 3 of them. I'll send the list to you. I don't have the list with me right now. But mostly we were just correcting the names. Like one road was Blessed Mother Teresa Road. So we have like changed it to Saint Teresa Road. So those kind of nomenclature changes were made. And in 1 or 2 areas, of course, we have come out with new names. I will ask my team to send those details to you. So these were the 8 decisions that were taken in the cabinet today.